So we're going to take a look at the basics, partly as a refresher and partly for new information. And we'll look briefly at the definition of it, the purpose of it, and then we will look at the very important documents. And after that, I have a few worked examples to share with you. So the definition is an agreed limited period of time to load and discharge the cargo. This is agreed and it is limited. Freight that is payable under a voyage charter, and of course all of this Laytime session is only to do with voyage chartering, not time chartering. I'm sure you will know from your experience in shipping that with time chartering, the owners don't care how long the ship spends in port, as long as the hire is paid every 15 days. Here we are talking about voyage chartering, a voyage from A to B. And the charterers, the voyage charterers, are responsible for providing cargo, for choosing safe ports for loading and for discharging, and for arranging the loading and discharging operation. Exactly how that works, I will share with you later on. But the voyage charterers will pay freight, that is money, for the carriage of the goods. And the freight will include also not just the carriage from the load port to the discharge port, but it will also cover that limited period of time in those ports within which the loading and discharging will take place. And therefore, when the voyage charterer pays freight, what he's paying is two things. He's paying for the carriage, the safe carriage of the cargo, and he's paying for the lay time as agreed. It's part of the freight package. The owners will already have included the expected amount of lay time in their voyage estimate, in their voyage calculation, and are therefore able to charge XYZ dollars for freight, whether expressed as world scale points or dollars per ton, which is world scale points in a different way. That is the point. That is the method of calculation.